Hi all, I'm Raghav and this is my Unity Fundamental Self-Round-2 Assignment 10. So today I'm going to discuss about the following three questions. What is canvas scaler and why do we use it? Second is what are the various types of joints in Unity? And third is uh, what does a content size filter component used for? What is a canvas scaler? So, canvas scaler component in Unity is used to scale contents of canvas to fit different screen resolutions and aspect ratios. It allows you to create UI elements that are responsive and properly scaled across various device screen sizes. So we use Canvas Scaler to ensure that UI elements within the canvas maintain their size and layout regardless of the target device's resolution. It helps in achieving the consistent user experience and prevents UI elements from becoming too large or too small on different screen sizes. So Canvas Scaler provides three different type of modes such as constant pixel size, scale with the screen size, and constant physical size. So these modes allows you to control how the UI elements scale uh, and adapt to the different resolutions and aspect ratios, providing a better visual presentations and usability across various devices. Second is different type of joints. So there are different type of joints in Unity. So first is fixed joint. So fixed joint fixes two objects together, making them act as a single rigid body. There is no relative motion between them. Second is hinge joint. So hinge joint allows you to allows rotation around a single axis, simulating the movement of a door. They have a limited range of motion. Third is a slider joint. So slider joint restricts the movement of two objects along the single axis, allowing linear movement forward, back and forth, like a door. So fourth is a spring joint. So spring joint simulates the behavior of spring, providing a restoring force between two objects. They can be used to create flexible connections. First would be character joint. So character joints are specifically designed for character movements. They provide basic ragdoll like physics behavior, allowing character to move realistically. Six would be configurable joint. So configurable joint are versatile joints that provide a combination of various joint behaviors. They allow you to specifically specify the connection and motion constraints in more customizable way. Next would be a distance joint. So distance joint connects two objects with fixed distance, maintaining specific separation between them. Next would be wheel joint. So wheel joint simulates a movement of a wheel, allowing the rotation around an axis and uh, suspension-like behavior. Next question is content size filter. So content size filter component in Unity is used to automatically adjust the size of UI element based on the size of its content. So it is commonly used in UI layout to ensure that the size of the container element fits its content properly. So by using content size filter component, you can ensure that your UI element dynamically adjusts the size to the content they hold. So this is especially useful when dealing with text or dynamic content that may change their size and or length. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much.